How many legs does a lobster have? 10. The surroundings or conditions that affect the life, development and survival of a living organism is called environment. The illegal hunting or capturing of wild animals is called poaching. Which is the main function of a keyboard? Input data. Which of the following is not a web browser? Adobe Reader. Virus is a computer dash. Program. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. Who proposed the theory of evolution? Charles Darwin. Quinine is obtained from the bark of which tree? Cinchona. Which is a physical change? Melting ice.